Hello friends, welcome to Home Cooking with Vina. Today we are making flavorful falafel. Whether you are a fan of Mediterranean food or looking for to try something new, this homemade falafel will not disappoint you. Packed with herbs and spices, it is a perfect healthy meal or a snack. So let's get started to make this delicious falafel.
Here are the ingredients. It is also listed in the description below. Rinse and soak whole brown masoor and split mung beans for 2 hours. Drain water and blend masoor and split mung beans with a bunch of cilantro, jalapeno and ginger. The mixture should be coarser, not fine. Add salt, coriander, chopped jalapeno and black pepper. Make a medium-sized ball and fry them over a medium heat until they are slightly browned. Enjoy your homemade falafel with pita bread, tomato garlic sauce and tahini yogurt sauce. Check my next video for how to make tomato garlic sauce and tahini yogurt sauce. The link is in the description. I hope you love this recipe and that it becomes a new favorite in your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and feel free to share this with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking!